Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw, magandang hapon, magandang happy Monday sa lahat mga kaibigan. So nandito naman ho tayo in order to answer a lot of questions mga kaibigan that referring to us, no? That I am not an expert in the first place mga kaibigan. Lalong-lalo na po ay hindi po ako lawyer, hindi po ako investigador at lalong-lalo hindi po ako eksperto. Kasi there is a lot of the lawyers here na nakikinig ho sa atin, no? You know mga kaibigan, magkakaiba po ang the standards or and discretions of and how do we to approach, no mga kaibigan. If we are on that mobile mga kaibigan in the certain stations as to belong of the tools of the government as a law enforcement officer, a police officer itself mga kaibigan. Kasi may tumawag sa akin na isang lawyer ho, no? Na sinasabi ho niya yung pagpunta ng isang responding officer of the certain incident that called a family disputes or it's called a family commotions mga kaibigan, something like that, no? Family disputes in the first place, if then hindi po siya rampant, hindi po siya aggressive, lalong-lalo na pagdating ng responder doon ay there is no aggressions that would happen in that mga kaibigan. So as a responder, the discretions of the responder as a law enforcement officer or the police officer itself to respond that kinds of crime, the first thing to do is to negotiate, no? Na to reconcile. Wala ho tayong ibang mission dito, is reconcilement and to settle, to understand each other, especially they are both husband or wife or the members of the family, that they are referring to the barangay itself. If ever they will both parties can agree, no? Kung mag-agree sila, mag-uyon sila. So that's the time the police officer come up into the decision like that, no? Hindi po natin ibig sabihin na mali ho yun. Mali yung discretion ng isang pulis na pumunta doon. Hindi porket lawyer ho tayo, hindi porket nag-aral ho tayo ng batas, magkakaiba po yun mga kaibigan. If the standards is goes like this, and then the standards of the police officer following the rules of law is goes like this. The first is the discretions of the police officer. Huwag nating turuan yung mga taong gustong ma-reconcile both parties na to come up there aggressive minded mga kaibigan. Hindi po porket police lang yan, lawyer ako, hindi po ganun. Hindi lahat ng alam ko po na you are the expert about law. Pero if you are to on board in the mobile and then you respond the style and many others, the conflict of family out there, what would you come up in your mind is to, that is our discretions as a police officer responder, no? To respond, that's basta hindi lang aggressive or there is no aggressions that would happen. Ganun ho mga kaibigan. Kasi sinasabi niya mali daw. Only the court can say about that na mali ho yun. Even you are the lawyer, we are the lawyer. We are not come up on that case na ako na yung mananalo kasi matalinong lawyer. Hindi po. Only the judge of the court can verdict on that certain cases mga kaibigan. If there is no formal complaint to be filed, and then wag nating sabihin na mali yung ginagawa ng pulis, no? Kasi ganito yun minsan, no? Dito sa Pilipinas, masyado tayong madidismaya sa ganitong mga trabaho. Sapagkat ho, ay ganito yung sinasabi ng batas, no? Even you read the Philippine Constitutions, there is no other law which is the fundamental laws of the land, which is the high supreme of law of the land. Di ba? We have a written law and unwritten law, which is yung mga tinatawag nating hindi po nasusulat na batas sa libro. Iba ho yun. That is the discretions and the formal approach and the style of the police officer, na hindi po lumalaki at lumalala ho yung isang conflict na simple lang. They are involved is family. We need to build up a good relationship to the family. That is the mission and the vision of the Philippine National Police, to maintain a good relationship within the community. Kung palalakihin natin yung issue na yan, aba, ano mayayari sa atin? Yan lang ho, mga kaibigan. But that conflict, it comes into aggression. That's the time. Dadalhin natin doon sa both parties. Dadalhin natin. Lalong-lalo na yung nag-aamok ba yun sa pamilya, yung husband niya or wife or anything members of the family. Dadalhin natin sa stasyon to turn over our investigator to see to it that what is the formal complaint to be filed. If ever that the members of the family can file a formal complaint. Ganun lang ho. Hindi po tayo magdidiritsa sabihin, hindi tayo magsalig nga abogado ta. No? Inana ba? Porket ang pulis, anong tingin ho natin sa pulis? Walang pinag-aralan? The police officer, they could not to become a police officer if they are not eligible itself. They are all eligible. Pass, humana na sila 4 years, nakapasar nag board exam, then done for how many lots of the trainings. Ganun ho mga kaibigan, just respect. Respeto lang ho tayo. Kaya ako, hindi po pwede yan sa akin. I'm just to rebutting on that, mga kaibigan. We have a procedure. We have a lots of procedure of the law because law is abstract in nature. Alam ho natin yan. May mga batas na hindi pa ho nasusulat doon sa libro. Kaya mayroon tayong tinatawag na SCRA, which is the decision of the Supreme Court. No? Ganun ho yun. There is an approach towards a certain police officer in the community in order to maintaining the peace and order. That is the vision and mission of the Philippine National Police. Especially as to the working government as a essence of work, essence of job, essence of the community maintaining the peace and order. Ganun ho yun mga kaibigan. Huwag nating diretsahan na magsasabi na mali yung ginagawa ng pulis. Paano natin to come up into reality in the good truth of that the wrongdoing of the police, that who are responding on that crime, and then the approach is and the style and also the procedure, the both parties can agree to settle it in barangay. Oh, ano pong mali doon? Ano pong mali doon? The first thing is to settle in barangay. If there is aggressions that would happen on that certain incident, and then go to the police stations. Dalhin natin yan. So I belongs to the responder before. No? I belongs to the responder before as a police officer that on board in the mobile. Wala ho tayong ibang target to respond the crime is to para mahupa ang panghitabo. Inana radyo na.